These are two of the best AI video generation tools in existence today. We are going to compare Fliki and Pictory. Fliki AI and Pictory AI are two of the best video generation tools that use artificial intelligence to automate the process of creating engaging videos. While both tools serve the same purpose, they have different approaches and features that set them apart. Both Fliki and Pictory turn text into videos and create videos from scripts or blog posts. Both are video generation tools that uses machine learning algorithms to automatically generate videos based on a user's input. It can create videos in a variety of styles, including explainer videos and social media ads. Fliki does have text-to-speech, AI voiceovers, and Pictory only on paid plans. Features are very similar. Let's go to price. Pictory has a great free plan where they give you 3 video projects and up to 10 minutes long with no watermarks, which is a good free starter. Fliki gives you 5 minutes of video content per month with access to 400 AI voices and has a small Fliki watermark at the bottom. Pictory wins in the free plan. Fliki's basic plan is for audio only, so let's take a look at the standard plan. You get 180 minutes of video a month, which is a lot, and videos up to 15 minutes long for $21 a month. Over at Pictory, you get 30 videos a month at 10 minutes long, which is 300 minutes a month for $19. Pictory wins. Premium plans Pictory gives you 60 videos at 20 minutes long, which is 1,200 minutes a month for just $39. Fliki gives you 600 minutes of video with individual videos of up to 30 minutes for $66. Again, Pictory wins in value for the premium plans. This is not to say Fliki isn't good. It's a great tool, but in terms of price and value, Pictory wins in all categories. You simply get more video minutes with Pictory. Let's look at the quality of videos. Both are great. I did find that Pictory picked better stock videos when I used them. Fliki, I had to change about half their choices, but that's quick to do. Pictory, on the other hand, I didn't have to change anything. Take a look for yourself and tell me what you think. Links are below, and follow me for more AI tools.
10 jobs likely to disappear by artificial intelligence. With the rise of automation and machine learning, there are certain jobs that are at risk of disappearing in the near future. These jobs are telemarketers. AI-powered chatbots are already being used to make automated sales calls and are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Retail salespeople, self-service kiosks, and AI-powered shopping assistants are becoming more common, reducing the need for human sales staff. Bank tellers. With the rise of online banking and mobile payments, the demand for human tellers is decreasing. Data entry clerks. AI-powered systems can accurately and efficiently input data, reducing the need for manual entry. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide 24/7 customer support without the need for human interaction. Graphic designers. AI-powered design tools can create logos, layouts, and graphics in seconds, reducing the need for human designers. Print journalists. AI-powered software can generate news articles and reports automatically, reducing the need for human journalists. Teachers. AI-powered virtual tutors can provide personalized education and feedback, reducing the need for human teachers. Accountants. AI-powered software can automate bookkeeping, payroll, and tax preparation, reducing the need for human accountants. Software developers. AI-powered systems can write and test code automatically, reducing the need for human developers.
What are your thoughts on AI taking over jobs? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow for more content on the future of work. Reasons why you shouldn't fear AI. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for decades, but in recent years, it's become a part of our daily lives in ways we couldn't have imagined. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and predictive algorithms, AI is everywhere. And yet, many of us are still wary of this technology and what it means for our future. But the truth is, AI isn't something to be feared. In fact, embracing AI is essential to succeeding in a world of ever-growing intelligence. The key to embracing AI is understanding that it's not a replacement for human intelligence, but rather an augmentation of it. AI can help us solve problems faster, make more informed decisions, and automate mundane tasks so we can focus on what really matters. Take the manufacturing industry, for example. By incorporating AI into the production process, factories can operate more efficiently, reduce waste, and even create better products. AI has been a game changer for business. It helps to streamline operations, make better decisions, and even anticipate customer needs before they arise. Of course, there are those who worry that AI will take over jobs and lead to a future where humans are obsolete. But the reality is, AI can create new jobs and even make existing ones more fulfilling. By working alongside AI, we can achieve things that were once thought impossible. We can solve problems faster, make better decisions, and ultimately create a better future for all of us. So let's embrace AI, not fear it. Together, we can create a world of ever-growing intelligence and endless possibilities.